What's up, YouTube? John Fax here again. Today, we're gonna be talking about the Facebook Reel program. My $1,200 payout I got. So you have a certain date. This how Facebook the program work. The plays work, I should say. You have a certain date. So August 6th, you got all the way up to August 6th to make that to make them plays to get up to 1,200. Whatever amount of money, like it'll be 500. You gotta do so many plays to get up to that certain amount, and then they gonna pay you out. So after that, you will get that. So after that, you're not gonna get paid on August. Just say you got, if that's the date for you, August 6th. You wouldn't get paid for August 6th. You would get paid like what, either on the 19th or the 20th or that day or whatever. Cause it's like a period that all the way up to August 6th, and then they will pay you like what, um, 2 weeks later or whatever. That's what they did for me. Cause I didn't know if they was gonna give it to me. But if you don't get paid out or whatever, something may be wrong or whatever, you could contact the Facebook support up there. It's gonna be in the corner, and then you just tell them about the Facebook bonus payout. But I got mine. I was surprised. I ain't know, cause I had read like many people YouTube page that was talking about the payout, that they only got half of it, but I didn't get half of it. I got the whole amount of payouts, the whole amount. So I was grateful for that, and it's some good money at the end of the month or whatever that you get extra along with your whatever else you do, other income. So it's extra income for me. So that's great. I'm grateful for that, and it came in handy too. So, but you can't get restricted fast. I mean, for me, I got restricted, so hopefully I can get back in the program by next month or whatever. So hopefully I can, because so far I got restricted. I guess it said unoriginal content, so I gotta put an appeal for that, because that's some good money or whatever. 1,200. That's like a continuous stimulus check each month, which that's extra income. That's to your income you already have, or whether if you working or whatever, if you're doing something extra. So I can't beat that or whatever. But it's some you can get some money on Facebook and stuff. You know that program, it comes in useful. I was surprised they even got it. But I guess I guess it's a new update for that Facebook program thing. But the new update is you could post 5 reels and gotta give either to 1,000 views or whatever, but you gotta be original content. Make sure you have original content, because if you don't, they gonna flag you or whatever. So that's what they did. That's what they did to me, and it kind of sucked. But that's why I'm trying to get back up there so I can make that extra money. And it's going good so far. I do have another payout with them. It's gonna be next month, so I'm grateful for that also. Cause that's gonna save me some money or whatever. But post your content. You do have to sign up for it. It's not like how it used to be like a month ago. Cause I guess they always update it. I don't know why they always update it for, but it's different. It's like it's different every month or whatever. I'm like, come on, man. But it's kind of complicated. Cause I'm trying to help my family out now with it, and I can't seem to figure it out or whatever. But let's hopefully they get into the program and make some extra money too, because it is some good extra money and stuff. So what I did, it was successful, but I guess they see you making a lot of money or whatever, they want to flag you or whatever. So, but don't forget to have your content be original. Let's see what else. You do have to sign up for it. I said that, and hey, you will get paid though. I thought I wouldn't get paid, but you do get paid off that program, the Reels program. And don't forget most of all your tags. That's what's gonna help you get all them like views that you need, all them plays that you need to get up to your to whatever goal they set. It's different ones they give you. They get 500. I don't want that one, because that's too easy. But now I want that 5,000 one. But it seems like now they've been giving me the 1,200 ones. So I either want that 5,000 one or 35,000. So let's see if they give me that or whatever. But so far, hey, stay tuned for more. If you got any questions, just leave in the comments. I would, be more than willing to help y'all out. Whoever want to get into the program also. And hey, stay tuned for more videos, YouTube.